Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to show you how you can easily convert a PDF file into an image file using Adobe Acrobat. So for that purpose you have to open the PDF that you want to convert, click over here, and then you have to go to the convert over here. Now there will be different options that you can convert this particular PDF file into. You go to the image format because this is what I want. You go to convert to JPG. You have to select the folder where you want to save this file. I want to save it to desktop. I just click over save, and you can see that it has successfully converted this single PDF file into a number of images. So you can easily open it and you can see that there are certain images that this PDF file has been converted into. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.